Tired of manually copying leads from Salesforce to Mailchimp? In 5 minutes, I will show you the exact integration that saves hours every week. No more juggling spreadsheets, no more worrying about which list is up to date. By the end of this, your CRM and your email marketing will be talking to each other automatically. So here is the plan. We will start by finding the official Mailchimp app on the Salesforce AppExchange. Then we will install it and connect everything together. Open your browser and navigate to the AppExchange website. This is essentially the App Store for Salesforce. It is where you find all the trusted third-party tools that plug right into your Salesforce environment. I always recommend sticking with official listings here, and that is exactly what we are going to do. Now, type the word Mailchimp into the search bar, just like you would on any other website. Hit Enter to see the results. This will pull up all the relevant apps and connectors. You are looking for the official Mailchimp listing, which should be near the top. Find that official Mailchimp listing and click on it. This takes you to the app detail page, where you can read about exactly what it does and how it syncs your data. Take a quick look at the description if you want, but everything we need is right here. On the app page, click the button that says Get It Now. This starts the installation process. It might take a second to load, so just hang tight. You will be prompted to log in to your Salesforce account. Go ahead and enter your credentials. This is the standard Salesforce login, so nothing unusual here. Now, pay attention to this part. You will be asked to review and grant the required permissions for the integration. This is a really important step. Mailchimp needs permission to read and write to your leads and contacts so that the sync can work both ways. You will see a list of what it needs access to. Give it a quick read, and if everything looks good, go ahead and approve it. This is exactly the same process you would follow for any official app from the AppExchange, and it is how you keep your data flowing securely. Finally, you will need to link your actual Mailchimp account. You will be prompted to either log in to your existing Mailchimp account or authorize the connection. Once you do that, the setup is complete. Your systems are now connected. And that is it. In just a few minutes, you have built a bridge between Salesforce and Mailchimp that will keep your contacts in sync automatically. No more manual data entry, no more worrying about stale lists. Your CRM and your email marketing are now working together as one system.